What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over how to get rich online in 2024. Now, this is gonna be the mindset edition because at the end of the day, success is 80% mindset. And a lot of people don't want to believe that. A lot of people want to think there's some type of game. I'm just making this video for my health and I just want to click on YouTube or something like that. But I'm literally trying to give you guys what you're going to need in 2024. This January, you still have a chance to make a difference this year. But you got to take this shit serious because at the end of the day, life is serious, right? Life is getting more serious. This is not no play information. If you take what I'm saying and you watch this video to the end, I'm telling you, you can literally change your life. I literally changed my life with this information, guys. I don't just make these videos for play. Everything that I'm about to go over in this video, I did. And that's why I'm making a video about it, because I'm living proof. I'm a living testimonial. I literally used to look online searching for videos on how to make money online. And yes, I would see a video like this that said, oh, it's about mindset. 80% is your mindset, 20% is the strategy. And I would click off because I was so ignorant to the fact that this stuff was real. I don't want to talk about my people, but I feel like being black, like we're just not really educated enough on this type of stuff, and this is what's really holding ourselves back. Like, we have to really open our minds and become new people and be willing to change and adopt new ways to be able to reach our goals. All right, so if you're somebody who you're ready to take life serious, you're ready to change your mindset so that you can reach success, because it's not all strategy. I know I've been going over strategies and techniques and different things in my previous videos, but this is the video that can really put it all together for you, okay? Because this is what put it all together for me. So let's just get right into it, all right? This is how to get rich online, but this is going to be your mindset edition, okay? Because it is 80% mental, and let's just dive right into it because I don't even want to waste any more time. So when it comes to your brain, you have two parts, okay? You have your conscious mind and you have your subconscious mind. So your conscious mind is going to be the way you feel, what you're thinking, you know, your active thoughts and stuff like that. It controls all of that. And your subconscious mind is controlling pretty much your perceptions, experiences, beliefs. But I'm gonna break it down even further. I got a better graphic for you, okay? So, you know, they say you only use 10% of your conscious mind. You know, you analyze, think, plan, your short-term memories and stuff like that. That mind deals with logic. That's what I want you to take away from conscious and subconscious mind, right? Your conscious mind deals with logic. Your subconscious mind deals with images and emotions, okay? And it also, you know, controls other things such as your long-term memory, emotions and feelings, habits and patterns, involuntary bodily functions, creativity, developmental stages, spiritual connections, and your intuition is all controlled through your subconscious mind, guys. So right now, what we're going to be diving into is how to tap into your subconscious mind, how to basically make your subconscious mind bring you success. So you don't even have to really work as hard, because you don't have to think as hard and plan as hard, because the biggest part of everything of your brain is your subconscious mind. So if you can just tap in to your subconscious mind, you can literally change everything about yourself. But you have to realize that this mind deals with images and emotions. So I'm gonna break that down even further. So I have a quote here from Neville Goddard, who is a manifestation guru pretty much. And if you haven't heard of him, look him up after this video. But basically, Neville Goddard said, "And an awakened imagination works with a purpose. It creates and conserves the desirable and transforms or destroys the undesirable." So what does he mean by that, guys? Basically, he means visualization, right? So an awakened imagination is pretty much visualization. You have to be able to close your eyes and see yourself as successful. That's what I did. I still close my eyes. I still use visualization techniques and see my future. I see myself traveling. I see myself making thousands of dollars per day. I see myself literally living the life of my dreams every time I close my eyes, every time I'm using my imagination. And that's what you have to do. Now, it creates and conserves the desirable. So what are your desires? Think about it. Close your eyes. If it's that new car, imagine yourself driving that new car, turning on the windshield wipers, beeping the horn, literally rubbing on the seats. You can see all this when you close your eyes. You have the gift of imagination. Every human has this power. So you need to use it to your benefit, okay? Don't use your mind to daydream about the undesirable, right? Don't use your mind to think about your problems. Don't use your mind to think about your issues. Yes, you may have problems. Yes, you may have issues. Yes, you may have things that are going wrong in your life, but why would you focus on that? Why would you think about that? All you're doing is bringing more of that to yourself, because believe it or not, what you think about is basically what you're going to bring more of. Like they say, as a man thinketh, so is he, right? So you want to think good thoughts. You want to daydream about your dreams and your goals. And that's how you literally transform your life, right? And he wrote a book called Imagination Creates Reality. If you guys want to look into this even further, but I'm telling you, the power of visualization, the power of using your imagination, that's how you tap into your subconscious mind. Because remember, it deals with images and emotions. So not only as you're using your imagination and you're visualizing and seeing yourself living your dreams, seeing yourself on the beach, making thousands of dollars all from your laptop, as you're doing that, what you want to do is you want to feel the emotion within it as well, right? You want to feel, what does it feel like to lay on that beach knowing you've already made $2,000 for the day, right? You literally want to get in the feeling of everything. And that's what Neville really harps upon, and that's what I did. I started following this advice, guys, and my life changed. You guys know, if you've been following this channel, I was working at warehouses. I was driving a beat up car, right? I was living with my parents. I was freaking broke, asking my parents for money. I didn't have nothing, guys. I didn't have anything. I literally went from zero to hero because of this information. So I'm not just giving you like just bullshit information. You have to listen and pay attention. Take time to visualize. This can be through the day, this can be through the night, but I'm telling you, it's worth it, all right? Because when it comes to visualization, what it is it's a genie in a bottle. When you're oppressing upon your subconscious mind the things you want in life, the things you want to get, the dreams you want to reach, and the goals you want to obtain, literally, it's a genie in a bottle. Every time you're visualizing, you're rubbing the lamp, and guess what? Eventually, the genie will appear and he will grant your wish. But you have to first believe in your wish being fulfilled. And this is another one of Neville's quotes, the wish fulfilled. So look this up also and dive more into this, because at the end of the day, this is what can really change your life, right? You can get all the things you desire out of your life. And people may think it's a joke, but I know, because I'm living proof, because I had nothing, so now I have my dream life. How did it happen? It happened because these are the things that I did. I impressed upon my subconscious mind, right? So you visualize and you use your emotions, because remember, the subconscious mind deals with images and emotions, right? So you're visualizing and you're feeling the feeling of driving that new dream car, or making that first $1,000 a day, and you're like, oh my gosh, like this feels so good, and and you're in a happy state, right? So what you want to do is you want to use affirmations to keep you in the state of the wish fulfilled. So you want to already feel like your wish and your dreams are true. They have come true already. That's kind of how you want to go through life on a day-by-day basis. You don't want to go through life like, oh, this isn't working. Oh, can this really happen for me? Questioning it. Don't question it. If you don't question it, it will happen. Not saying that it's going to be just like that and it has to happen in a certain amount of time. Don't put a time stamp on it, right? Just keep working at it. Keep visualizing. Keep keeping your state happy. Stay in the state of the wish fulfilled. That act as if it already happened. And how you can basically keep yourself in this wish fulfilled is by using affirmations. I know I talk about affirmations a lot, but guys, this is how whatever you want out of life, whether it's wealth, success, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, use these different type of affirmations, right? On a daily basis. What I like to do is I like to sleep to them. And the reason I like to sleep to them is because what happens is the easiest way to access your subconscious mind is to basically listen to affirmations or impress upon your subconscious mind when it's in theta state. When are you in theta state? You are in theta state when you are like about to fall asleep, right? It's the state where your conscious mind is like kind of shutting off and you're like drifting off to go to sleep, right? And it's like it's a fine state between sleep and your conscious mind like being shut off, but you're not really like shut off all the way. Like you're not really sleep, you're just like kind of drifting off. It's like a fine line with that state, right? If I'm breaking that down, you can look up theta state even further if you want a further breakdown. I'm not an expert, guys. I just practice these things, right? So what I want you to do is, as you're falling asleep, put these affirmations on, because you will be impressing upon your mind in that theta state, therefore reaching your subconscious mind even better. Because yes, with subconscious mind, it's going to take repetition. So saying affirmations a bunch of times every single day. But it's even better if you access your mind once it's in theta state as well, right? And there's a bunch of different states and there's a bunch of different sounds on YouTube and frequencies you can use on YouTube to help yourself reach theta state even faster. Or like some people use it for meditation, stuff like that. But I'm not even going that deep, guys. You literally could just, as you fall asleep, just instead of going to sleep to music, I know a lot of people sleep to music, or a lot of people just like it quiet, right? But I'm telling you, just start learning how to fall asleep, listening to affirmations, and it will change your life. I'm giving you guys the keys to the kingdom now. You have to listen and pay attention and really, really take heed of this information if you want to change your life, if you want to get rich online, all right? Start affirming what you want from your life. If you want to get rich online, I am making thousands of dollars a day online, right? That needs to be one of your affirmations. Come up with affirmations that fit your business, that fits the lifestyle that you want to live. And you can record it in your own voice, or you can go on YouTube, listen to affirmations in other people's voices or voices that you feel fit, and just use that, okay? It's really not rocket science, guys. You literally just got to do this stuff every single day, because when it comes to the subconscious mind, it learns through repetition as well. Yes, emotions and logic, but at the end of the day, it does work through repetition. If you keep impressing and keep impressing upon your conscious mind a bunch of times, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, eventually it's going to seep down into your subconscious, and your subconscious mind will be telling yourself, wait, you're rich, wait, you're rich. So as you're performing these different actions online, you won't be thinking in lack. You won't be thinking in scarcity, because that's what's important. You don't want to think in lack and scarcity, because that's what's holding you back. Now, as you're changing your subconscious mind, what's going to happen is you're going to start having new thoughts. You're going to start having new ideas, right? And it's basically what I like to call inspired action. So what is inspired action? Inspired action is action that feels effortless, joyous, and brings no stress. So as you're working in your business, as you're trying to attempt to make money online, it will feel effortless, guys. It will happen naturally, because what's happening is a lot of you guys, you really aren't enjoying the process. You really aren't enjoying, attempting these money-making strategies and setting up these campaigns and doing all these different things online, because you're not inspired. It's not inspired action. You're just like, I just want to make some money. Like, how can this work? You really have no belief. You haven't been working on your subconscious mind. You haven't been working on your beliefs. You haven't been doing the inner work, but you're attempting these strategies, right? And it wasn't until I started taking inspired action, I started working on myself way harder than I worked on my business. And all of a sudden, the business manifested very, very quick for me, because I took inspired action. So it comes from divine guidance. It does not feel like a chore. It's paired with high motivation. It is in alignment with you. It is an action based by passion, and there's a strong drive behind it, right? So all those intuitive nudges that you're receiving throughout the day, so that you're able to take right action. So I love these graphics that explain that. So I don't know if you need to screenshot this or whatever. Do whatever you need to do. Hang this up, because as you're taking action, as you're working on your business, this is how you should be feeling. If you're feeling stressed, or you're feeling like, oh man, this is hard, you need to stop. You need to stop. It's not going to work. If you feel like anything's holding you back, or is not a natural flowing energy that just feels like, man, I could work on this all day, then you need to stop and realign yourself. And how do you realign yourself? You realign yourself by going within your imagination, seeing what you want out of life, right? And feeling the emotion, feeling the wish fulfilled, all understanding that it already happened somewhere out there. It's already happening for you. It just has to manifest here in the real world, right? So if you can truly, truly believe that, everything will change for you. But what happens is people don't believe these things. People don't believe, oh, if I sleep to affirmations and I repeat these affirmations, my life will change. But I'm telling you, it will. And why am I saying that? Because it worked for me. How can it not work? And it worked for me. This is what I did. I wasn't rich. I wasn't wealthy. I wasn't nothing. I was just a college dropout who had a dream. And I said, man, I want this to work. And I didn't want to listen to the mindset videos. I didn't want to watch videos like this until I freaking just said, okay, what I need to do? And it was like, it's your subconscious mind. Change your beliefs. You have lack beliefs. You have limiting beliefs. You have beliefs that are telling you you can't do it. You have beliefs telling you, hey, you're too poor to spend money on ads. You're too poor to be trying to attempt paid traffic strategies. Go try the free traffic stuff. And I'm doing the free traffic stuff and I'm banging my head against the wall, right? And then I change my mind where I'm rich, I'm wealthy, I have abundance. I live a life of abundance. Now all of a sudden, I'm spending money on ads and I'm living a life of abundance. Guys, you have to take this information serious because this is literally what changed my life and it can literally change yours. But I can only give you the information. I can only lead the horse to the water. I cannot make you drink. If you want to be successful, if you want to be somebody who lives their dream life, take this information serious. Don't even just watch this video and just forget about this information. Dive deeper. Go deeper. If you're willing to do that, your life can be limitless. You can have everything you want because everybody around me, my old friends, they're just like, man, they see a change in me. And they're like, man, how, like, what do you do different? This is what I do. Yeah, I may jam out and listen to rap music sometimes. Yeah, I may go out drinking and have fun and party. But at the end of the day, I know how to get my mind right. At the end of the day, I know how to impress upon my subconscious mind. And I have done that so many times to where my life will forever be glorious because I've literally ingrained in myself that my life is glorious and I live my dream life. So if you want that for yourself, go out there and impress upon your subconscious mind exactly what you want out of your life, exactly how you want to feel every single day of your life. And I'm telling you, it will manifest for you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.